PressAgility is a platform that lets you easily run your own auto-scaling WordPress network on VPS providers like DigitalOcean, Hetzner, or UpCloud. To get started, all you need is a domain name, a Cloudflare, and a GitHub account. Let's begin the installation by heading over to the app portal. Log in with your GitHub account. Your 1-month free trial will automatically start when you log into the app platform for the first time. Click New Network to begin setting up your new WordPress network. In the first step, you will need a Cloudflare account. In this demo example, I will set up a network for a client, rabbitbuilder.com. Make sure your domain is in active state on your Cloudflare account. Next, you will generate an API token. Click Create Token, and we will use a template. Create additional tokens, use template, keep everything default, and click Continue to Summary. And finally, create token. Copy the token, paste it to the platform, click Verify Info, and it will take you to the next step. It will generate all the necessary firewall rules, DNS, and security rules for this domain. In the second step, we will create a new organization on your GitHub account. Select whether this organization belongs to a personal account or a business. This is mainly for marketing. You can select anything. Accept the terms and conditions. You can skip this step. You need to enable deploy keys. You will go to the settings, click deploy keys, and enable and save. For the last step, you just need to install our PressAgility GitHub app on your new organization. Click install. Once Cloudflare and GitHub are connected, we are ready to provision 2 VPS servers. You can choose any of the listed providers. For this demo, I will be using UpCloud. From the drop-down, select UpCloud and go to the UpCloud dashboard. From the dashboard, click Deploy and Server. Select your preferred location. I will select that offer the better hardware. For the PressAgility control panel, the minimum requirement is 2 GB of RAM. I will select the minimum 2 GB. For the storage, keep everything default. For the automated backups, you can enable the backups since it's been offered free of charge. For the operating system, make sure that you select Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. For the network, keep everything default. You can create the anti-affinity group if you want. Without the SSH key, UpCloud will not let us provision any server. So we need to generate an SSH key. If you don't know how to generate an SSH key, which is actually very easy to do so, you can generate it online. You can go to this website, showdns.net/ssh-key-generator. Make sure that you select the ED25519 algorithm, give it any name, and click Generate Keys. Make sure you download the keys at a secure location. For the UpCloud, we need public key. I will copy that. Add a new key. Again, make sure that you download the private key at a secure location. This step is very important. For the initialization script, go back. You need to copy this initialization script and paste it. Deploy 2 servers. One is DB server, another one is app server. Make sure the server names are all small letters. Servers are being provisioned. While these are being provisioned, copy the DB server IP, paste it, app server IP. Now we need to get their private IP address. Open each of them in a separate tab. Go to the network. So this is the DB server. This is your private IP. This is the app server. Go to the network. Copy the private network IP address. Wait for these servers, as I can see that they are green. Click Verify Info and set up primary control node. It will take about 15 minutes to 20 minutes depending on the hardware. It's almost 10 minutes. Our setup is about to complete. Your white label WordPress control panel is ready. Click on the network name for more details. Here you will find all the necessary information you will need to manage this network. For example, your white label control panel link and its username and password. Using this button, you can generate a license for your client. For example, how many websites this client can have, if you want to enable or disable auto scaling, and how many database servers this client can have. You can of course resell all of these features and you will set your own price for each feature. You will also notice a Cloudflare R2 bucket. All of your client network images will be uploaded in this bucket and will be delivered in latest formats, for example, WebP or AVIF, depending on the client browser. The images will be also optimized and rescaled. I will cover all the PressAgility features in other videos. In this video, I just want to give you an overview. To go to your white label control panel, click this link. You will find the username and password from the dashboard. In simple terms, this is your super admin control panel. You will use it to generate license. And this is your white label control panel that you can share it with your clients and resell all of its features, including auto scaling and database. And of course, you can set your own branding and logos.